we're about to delve into the cutting-edge world of technology. Today, we're excited to reveal Motorola's latest innovation, the Bendable Wristwatch phone concept. Building on the success of their rollable phone concept, Motorola continues to push the boundaries of flexible hardware. In this video, we'll explore how this adaptable device can bend, shape, and mold to your needs, ultimately removing rigid shape restrictions from your tech experience. Motorola's Bendable Wristwatch phone concept is a groundbreaking development in the realm of mobile devices. Just like the rollable phone unveiled at Tech World last year, this new concept is designed to redefine the way we interact with our technology. It's a flexible, wearable device that allows you to take your smartphone experience to a whole new level. One of the key features of this device is its remarkable adaptability. You no longer need to conform to your phone, instead, it conforms to you. This concept explores the ability to remove the rigid shape restrictions that traditional smartphones impose. Whether you want to hold it in your hand, place it on a table in a self-standing position, or wear it on your wrist for a hands-free experience, the Bendable Wristwatch phone can do it all. The possibilities are endless, and it truly adapts to your lifestyle. The true magic behind the Bendable Wristwatch phone concept lies in the power of artificial intelligence, AI. With the support of AI, the user experience of Motorola's smartphones can be as adaptable as the device's form factors. Motorola has developed an AI model that runs locally on the device, enabling users to bring their personal style to their phone. Imagine being able to upload or capture a photo of your outfit and have the phone generate one-of-a-kind AI-generated images that match your style. Yes, it's that simple. You can customize your device to reflect your unique personality. For instance, you can create a unique wallpaper based on your look, and the possibilities are endless. It's an exciting and personalized experience that's never been seen before in the world of smartphones. We know how important personalization is to our users, and that's why we've taken it to a whole new level. In this video, you'll see demonstrations of how the Bendable Wristwatch phone concept allows users to express themselves through their phone. We've also invited some of our colleagues to share their experiences and outfits, showcasing how each attempt results in a unique choice for a personalized flair. In conclusion, Motorola's Bendable Wristwatch phone concept is a true testament to the innovation and creativity of the tech world. With its flexibility, adaptability, and the power of AI-driven personalization, it's a game-changer in the smartphone industry. The concept represents a leap forward in how we interact with our devices and how technology can adapt to us, rather than the other way around. We hope you're as excited as we are about this incredible concept and the endless possibilities it brings to our daily lives. Thank you for joining us in this journey into the future of technology.